everybody. Happy Wednesday. Check it out. I dyed my hair last night. I was super excited to do that. I just couldn't take it anymore. L'Oreal Age Defying. I'm pretty happy with it. It covered all my gray and kind of evened things out. Today I have Glossybox for you guys. And oh my gosh, Glossybox. What's going on with Glossybox? I think I'm going to cancel them now. I usually pay 30 months, $58 for 3 months, but I'm getting a little tired of them. Recently, I'd rather get the BoxyCharm and the Ipsy right now, but I love the little pamphlet I got here, but I kind of peeked in this box, and there's a couple things wrong with this box here. So, number one, we got the Collab Dry Shampoo, which is not a bad product, but it's only a $5 value, so I'm kind of like, eh. Doesn't smell bad. So that was okay. And then my favorite thing in the box is the Nails Inc. $11 nail polish. My nails are a mess because I've been gardening. I actually would probably use this. So this is actually a good thing. So there are a few good things about this box. Then we got, this is kind of cute, but to me it's kind of just a perfume sample. This is the Flower Bomb Nectar. I don't know if this is a glossy box. Let me look at my little folder here. The perfume takes the essence of Victor Rolf's bestseller Flower Bomb to a whole new level. The full size is supposed to be, okay, it's Victor Rolf, 120. This is supposedly a $23 value. It's kind of like a perfume sample in a bottle. That's cute. I kind of like the bottle. Let's see what it smells like. It actually smells pretty good. It's not bad. I do really like this bottle. It's really cute. So that's the other product that I'm kind of liking. The rest of the box I'm like kind of on. I feel like we just got the Rose. This is the Avante Skincare. It's supposed to be a $114 value, but it's a Gentle Rose Exfoliator. I feel like we just got a product from them. And the safety seal kind of just like fell off when I opened it, which is a little weird, but I'm not totally upset with this product, so there's a couple things I like. But then we got the temporary tattoos, which I thought was a little weird. These are a $12.99 value. I don't know. This just seemed like an add-on. And then the really weird thing, you guys, was I was supposed to get a Ruby sheet mask, and instead I got the Miracle Mist speed drying spray for nail polish. I'm so glad. I didn't put this on my head thinking it was like a dry shampoo. Glad I read the bottle first. But I don't know if this is a substitution. I'm not sure what's going on with Glossybox. I feel like the last box I got was a little on the inside. I do like Glossybox. I love their boxes. Their boxes are really sturdy. But I wanted to kind of focus in on the boxes that I like because I don't want to have too many products right now. I'm not really going out all that much to use a lot of product. And I'm definitely getting loaded up again with the beauty care. So I tend to do this back and forth. Like I'll get a box for a while, then I'll cancel it. So I'm probably going to cancel Glossybox for now. The boxes that I really like right now, I was actually really happy with the Ipsy Plus last month, so I'm keeping that. And I've got BoxyCharm Premium coming again next month for May. I didn't cancel it. There's a couple things that look good. I don't know if I'm going to keep that for June, though. So, I don't know. Let me know below if you've kept your subscription boxes. I feel like this is a really challenging time now with the pandemic going around. A lot of people maybe don't want to spend the extra money on a subscription box, and I'm kind of saying the same thing. Like, you know, I'd rather buy stuff at Bath & Body Works, so I'm kind of going back and forth on that. So anyway, let me know what you think if you got Glossybox this month, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.